Spark the Shark, and there is a ghost standing there, and he wants those Coca-Colas. These. He's saying, here, dude, take them. They're yours, bro. Freebies. You don't even have to go to the food drive. That shark, I like the Bible. Oh, he's been up by that Bible today. And he, for whatever reason, it could be a warning or some sort of alert to me. Look at him hold the Bible up there, far in the distance, you guys. Right there. He stays right by that Bible. Yeah, look at him up there. What are you doing up there by that Bible, bro? He's sending me a message, you guys. He's saying something. It's like, shark,